How to fix unable to open the game. Please verify your game data error on your GTA 5. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this error right here. So let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your local disk. So first head over to your local disk or C drive. And after you're there, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your Windows folder. And under your Windows folder, if you scroll down a bit, you should find another folder called System 32. This is the one right here. After you're on the Systems 32 file, you'll need to search for a folder called Drivers. This one right here. Open this up and you'll find the etc folder here. So all you need to do is delete this folder. Simply tap on delete here. And after you delete the folder, what you'll need to do is again head over to your Rockstar Games folder. And after you find the Rockstar Games folder, open that up. And inside there, you'll find a social club folder. You can delete that. And after you delete that, now all you need to do is restart your computer and then your problem will get fixed. And that is how you fix the problem, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye. Take care.